What's up, guys? Model Airport Nation here, and it has finally arrived all the way from China. Yes, you heard me right, guys. All the way from China. Look at this thing. And did not have to pay any tariffs either to get it over here. I purchased this off eBay from a seller that prints off different 3D terminals. If you guys have seen the title of this video already, then you know this is Frankfurt International Airport. This is a 3D printed portion where most of the 747s parked there. It's the most iconic spot. So without further ado, guys, let's get this thing open. All right, we got it out of the packaging here to say. Now let's continue to get this open here. Really excited to see what this thing looks like, guys. They have tons of different airports, they do. I'll tell you, this thing is really packed good. So let's just cut it. Nice and easy here. Oh, it's like a box within a box, guys. Well, you know what? I'm glad they packaged it, better than not. All right, guys, here it is all together. I don't know if we have to do any coloring or painting or whatnot, but yeah, let's just get it open. We'll see. This is what the review is all about. All right, everybody, here it is all laid out together. So yeah, you kind of got to put it together, but I don't think it's the end of the world. It looks like you do get the Frankfurt Airport logo here on it. You also do get the little Lufthansa logos that go inside the holes here. I thought I was gonna have to paint this or something, but no, you don't. You just slide it right in there, and it's good to go. So yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of time to do this, but I don't think it's gonna be, like I said, the end of the world. Get these little clear guys here for the windows. That's gonna look nice too. Super excited, guys. Also, you have instructions on the listing too, so you can just piece it out one by one. But, the price that it was, I think this was about, I don't know how much. I think it was like $250, $300. But, it's all about time, guys. You can wait, you can either wait another 3 years and try to get a 3D printed one, or, decide to take the shot and get this one here. It looks pretty cool online. I think even if you got the lighted edition that they offer too, you still would have to, it would still come like this. But I'm going to add my own lights to it too, definitely will. I have tons of little LED lights, so there's something that I can definitely do with this. And then I will be getting the No Point Airport layout for it too. So I'll have a Frankfurt layout. But for now, I think I'll just put maybe some gray paper down, and then I'll just get some cool shots with it. So stay tuned, guys, for when this is complete. This also does come with their own jet bridges as well, guys. I'm really excited to see how these work. Again, these are custom to it, so yeah, might as well try these out. Like I said, they're custom to it, so let's try it out. So here it is, pretty much halfway together. Obviously, we got to glue some stuff, and yeah, a lot more needs to be done, obviously. But as you guys can see, it's fairly easy to put together here. You have to cut some stuff from the 3D printing, slide it together. I thought this thing would come in one piece, but you know what? It's all right. It's fun to build this thing. It's not that hard. You're literally just putting stuff together and then gluing it. So I think it'll go together pretty well, guys. So stay tuned. I'd like to thank you guys for joining me again today, Model Airport Nation, and we'll see you guys in the next video.